Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another delicious eating video. Yeah. So today is Saturday night and I do this some Saturday night, not every Saturday night. This is my kind of relaxation kind of thing. So it is a chicken wings with onions and cucumber, and I am not a alcohol person. I do not drink alcohol and I don't like dessert, just because I didn't grow up eating dessert. Not that I don't eat cake once in a while, but I wouldn't say, ooh, dessert, that kind of feeling. But whereby I can say, ooh, chicken wings, spicy, hot, delicious. You get what I'm saying? But I do not do dessert and I do not do alcohol. I know like a couple of my Irish friends, they like to relax with glass of wine, a bit of cheesecake, chocolate cake, that kind of thing. But I'm odd. I don't do those things, so maybe I'm awkward or something. This is my Saturday night kind of thing. I was thinking to do it on my couch, but I was also saying to myself, you guys might not see me eating properly on my couch, but because usually I sit down on my couch with my chicken wings and all that, and I watch something while I am enjoying it kind of. But another thing is that who knew chicken wings would be a thing, right? Like, chicken wings of all things will be something that people will even order from the Chinese shop or order from Domino's. I remember like those days, like when we kill chicken, right? My mother will always give the best meat to my daddy, because that is Igbo thing. Like, you keep the man where the meat is a lot, juicy part of the chicken. And being that I come from a family of, a lot of people, I have 8 brothers. So my mom will start sharing the meat from the top people. And by the time you get to me, I'm second to the last. By the time you get to me and the last one, the only thing left is this chicken wings and the chicken leg, not the chicken thigh where the meat is, the chicken leg where the chicken step on. So I always complain about that. Why do we have to get the, this one, chicken wings and chicken leg? And whenever my father hear me complaining, he will call me and give me some of his meat, because I'm my father's daughter, guys. That man loves me pieces because I am his only daughter. But that thing used to piss my mommy off. My mom was like, you and this your daughter, this love, you and this your daughter. Like, he used to piss her off. And my father was like, mind your business, woman. But another thing that baffles me those days is that they used to say, I will say it in Igbo and I'll say it also in English. They used to say, like, women eat the waste of the meat. And I'm like, why? Because there is nothing at the waist of the meat. It's just bone, I think that's the thing that our men used to deceive us. No, I don't want to eat ukwan. I want to eat ebano de uluano. But that is the thing. But enough of the story. Let's dive in and get started. This is my Saturday night. I don't know, this is a kind of thing that I use for unwinding kind of thing. Everybody have their own thing. This is my thing anyway. So let's get on it. So this is like spicy and sweet. That chili, sweet chili sauce? That's what I use. And my juice is a fresh juice. This is tropical fresh juice. Love it. Absolutely love it. You can taste the freshness. Oh, yeah. let the movie night begin, because I am ready. I am absolutely ready for movie night tonight, because this is, well, delicious. I really enjoyed it. I know I say that all the time, but girl, this one, I really enjoyed it. So I can just take myself and go relax on my couch and enjoy my Saturday evening. I might have one more glass of this juice. I normally buy that fresh juice every Saturday. Not like I drink it every day. Buy it every Saturday, because Saturday morning we do this kind of a Irish breakfast morning where sit down with the kids, catch on what was going on during this weekdays, and we just talk, make sausage rash or whatever. We sit down. They love that fresh juice to have it with their breakfast. So we make Irish breakfast, the whole shebang, bacon, sausage, whatever. We sit down on this table and we just chat as a family. So I do not buy it all the time. So I only get to drink it on Saturday, and after that, that is it till the next Saturday. So I might have one more glass of it while I'm sitting down on my couch. Ask the kids what we're gonna watch. It might be another Adventures. Tired of it, but my son likes all Adventures movie. So we'll see what we're gonna see today, this evening. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Enjoy your Saturday evening, and leave a comment down below and tell me, what do you do on your Saturday night? What gets you relaxed? What do you like to enjoy? Tell me. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe down below, and click on that bell icon, because my brother, my sister, it will give you that dagan whenever I upload a new and interesting video. I will see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.